what we're living in. Gotta keep your heads up high. Can't be giving in. Let one day go by without praising the Most High. 'Cause it's the only way we ever will.
Rough life, enough crime, youth them had a hard time. No guides, no sign, walking on a thin line. Sentence, no trial, victim of a profile. No hope, more fight, wonder why we hostile. False profit, make profit, focused on their pocket. White collar, false stocket, door hoping can't lock it. Politics, equal economic tricks. Death toll rising, cess commercializing. Barely surviving, future jeopardizing. No compromising, hope paralyzing. Rules need revising, why is it surprising?
Got to eat the warning.